Hi everyone, welcome to this segment on the channel where we will be delving into how to change add to cart text in Shopify. And here is how. Before proceeding, locate your store and ensure you are in the theme section. Scroll down to find your current theme. Once you have identified it, click on it. Then select Edit Default Theme Content. Now in the filter items, search for the add to cart option. You should now see something similar to this. As you can observe, this is the current appearance. You will notice it says Add to Cart. If I were to open my own store, I will demonstrate shortly. There you have it. It currently displays Add to Cart. Now I will proceed to change it. For instance, to Buy Me Now. There we are. I will save all these modifications. Let us refresh the page. And there you have it. And that is how to change add to cart text in Shopify. I hope you found this helpful. Before we conclude, please consider sharing, liking, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.